Hey everyone. Well, the question I do get is how do I do my setups? So most of the time it's just simply walk in, put my chair down, my stool, which I put my balloons on, and I'm ready to go. 30 seconds, ready to show. However, occasionally I get to do big events like malls and events where I'm at multiple days, like expos. So for those, I get to set up. So this is my setup for that with the lights and everything else. This here is my chest. This thing has almost my whole setup right in it, including my chair. Only thing it really doesn't have are my tables. And besides that, I have my new product right there and my balloons. Besides that, pretty much everything's ready to go. So we're gonna do a little video showing you how it's all set up. And hopefully this will answer some questions and give you some ideas for your setup in the future. All right, let's go. video stopped right when I was setting up the TV and hooked up to the computers. But yeah, this is the setup. Screen is used for showing time-lapse videos of the builds that I've been doing here at the mall. We have all of my contact information, how to pay, different ways of QR codes, setup of the product, and again, some different displays. So those are the balloon paintings that I do, and then my setup. So everything is kept in there pretty much. There's 3,000 to 5,000 balloons in there, and more balloons in here. And pretty much I'm ready to make whatever I need to make. And that's the setup. So I hope this was informative. I hope it was good for you. Again, this is my setup for when I do a 2-day event or more, and I have electricity. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So hope this answers some questions, and I hope you found this informative, entertaining, and well, just good resource. So again, smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment. An encouraging word lasts a lifetime. And this was about a 40-minute setup. And according to my steps, I've done about 3,000 steps this morning. And it's just turned about 9 o'clock. So, alrighty, y'all. Good day to you, and adios.